Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study about United Nations organization. At the end of World War I, League of Nations was formed, but League of Nations was unable to stop wars, and the result was the start of the Second World War. At the end of the Second World War, it was needed that such an organization, such an institution should be formed, which should be able to to resolve conflicts and stop wars. So this organization was named United Nations Organization, or UNO. UNO is an international organization, and it is formed by 51 countries on 24th October 1945 at San Francisco, USA, in America. It was formed in America, and an organization was needed after the end of World War II. For which purpose? To resolve the international conflicts and wars through bilateral and multilateral negotiations. By means two, the negotiations or talks between two countries, or multilateral. Multi means many, the talks among many countries. So negotiations, talks, and diplomatic dialogue. There was at present time there are 193 member countries of the United Nations, and there is equal representation in the General Assembly for all these 193 member countries. The organs of UNO, this United Nations organization has many organs. One is General Assembly, which we studied here. That in General Assembly there are 193 member countries, and every country has equal representation, equal membership. All members, one representative from all countries is here in this General Assembly, a member of this General Assembly. Then another organ of United Nations is Security Council, and another is Trusteeship Council. Then there is Economic and Social Council, and there is International Court of Justice and Secretariat, the main office, Secretariat. So these are the organs. Now we are going to study the UNO Charter. What was the charter of the UNO, and after that we will study shortly about these organs of the UNO. The UN Charter. The United Nations organization has made its charter, and this charter has four purposes. The first purpose is to maintain worldwide peace and security. तमाम दुनिया में अमन को और safety को यकीनी बनाना है. So maintain the worldwide peace and security. The second purpose is of this charter is foster good relations among countries, to make good relations. The country should have good relations among them. And the third purpose is encourage cooperation between nations in order to resolve economic, social, cultural, humanitarian, and international issues. For all these purposes, encourage cooperation between nations. Okay, and the fourth purpose of this charter is to provide a forum for bringing countries together to meet the UN purposes and goals for the betterment of the international community. So international community should be in good condition. International community, there should be peace and prosperity and security and good relations and good economic condition, good social condition, good cultural condition, humanitarian condition, and for other international issues. United Nations is a forum which bring all the countries together to meet and discuss and talk, and they should avoid wars for solving their problems.